Interesting. I found an article here in my Run magazine about a musical keyboard that will go on top of your Commodore 64, and then you can play the keys. Interesting. You know, it's almost impossible to find one of those nowadays. What we'll have to do is maybe we can go online to like Thingiverse and see if we can 3D print one, and that's what our video is about today. So let's go to Thingiverse website.
Once you're on Thingiverse, go over to search. I'm going to search for Commodore Musical Keyboard. Let's try printing this one and see how it turns out. Go over to download and click on it. An advertisement will pop up, but after 30 seconds to a minute, the download will start. Once the download's complete, click on it to open the download folder. These files are most likely compressed, so you have to extract them to a folder of your choosing. You can do this by highlighting all your files and copying and pasting it to your folder that you want. Just don't forget where you put it. Now go over to your slicing program. I'm using Cura. And then open up your files and put them on the plate. Let's see here, I'm going to need about 10 of these keys. Suppose it wouldn't hurt if I put an extra one in there, just in case. Never know, it might break one. I'm going to print this in black PLA. After you have all of your pieces laid out, then you slice it, save it to disk, and then we'll go on to the next one. Next thing we're going to do is those white keys. Now there's 3 different types of those. After you slice and save these to your removable drive, it's time for the keyboard part. My print bed isn't big enough to accommodate one full-size keyboard, therefore I'm going to print 2 halves. Once I got both halves on there, it appears to me that it's floating in air, so I'm going to have to rotate it. Rotate, 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 right about there. Let's look underneath just to make sure. Oh, it's still not on the build plate. Let's tweak it just a little bit more. Take some little finagling here. We want the bottom to be all blue. Just like that. Now onto the other side. Let's move this over. Then we're going to turn this around. And right about there. Not bad if I do say so myself. Now let's slice it, save it, and bring it over to our printer.
Put your SD card in your printer and let the show go on. Start. So here are the 2 halves of the keyboard. One goes there, one goes there. And we gotta get these keys to go in here. There's little holes on here. So let's get these keys taken apart. Now let's stick this key in here. Oh, Houston, we have a problem. The hole's not big enough. Fortunately, I have a Dremel. I'm gonna sand down these keys just so they fit in the hole. All right. Now to do all of them. Once you have your 2 halves done, then you're supposed to take these pins and put them in the hole and attach them that way. But it's not working for me. So I'm going to take this 3D pin. So I'm going to put them on here like this. And I'm going to weld them on, sort of.
Let's see if it works.
Now let's see how well it plays. We're going to put it on top of our computer like this. Alright, let's play something. Ooh. Well, I was never the best music composer, but you get the point. You can also change the tone. Yay! Well, I hope you liked my video. If you liked it, why don't you give a comment in the comment section below? That's down there. Until then, I will see you later.